Hi guys, welcome back to Country Views. I have another great recipe. It is called French onion sloppy joes. So let's get started. Right here, I have about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I just get the 73% lean. You can use any kind you like. And I'm just going to come over here, take my rings off, because you are going to want to break this meat up into your pan. Okay? Like so. Now, if you have a larger family, you can use 3 to 5 pounds of your ground beef. But it is just me, my husband, and my adopted son today. All right, so now, while that's going, I'm going to come over here and wash my hands. Go ahead and focus over there at the meat cam. Gotta get my hands clean before I can do anything else here. Look how yummy that is, guys. I wanted to welcome all the Country View Juniors. I know a lot of you watch me and you enjoy my cooking. I want to say hi to my little niece. You know who you are, my niece. My biggest fan of my videos here. And for anybody new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I do have a page called Country Views on Instagram and Facebook. All right, so now you come over here, okay, you guys. Oh, forgot to put that back on. And you take whatever utensil you have, okay, and just start chopping your meat up, okay? And make sure you get it as small as you can get it, because these are going to be sloppy joe style. All right. You want to have your burner about on medium heat. All right. Let that go a little more here before I chop it more. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys. This is literally all the seasoning you need. Seasoning, salt, it has everything in it that you need. Garlic, onion powder, any of that. Now we go by palmfuls. So you want about that much palmful, okay? And put it in while you're cooking your meat, because you want the seasoning to be infused in the meat. And then with the black pepper, you can kind of just shake it around and put as much black pepper as you want, okay? And then give it another stir and another chop. I wanted to show you guys, if you missed in my other video, I got this new little utensil here. I got it at the dollar store for $1. It is a hamburger meat chopper, guys. It's plastic and it is safe for your non-stickware. So yeah, you just keep doing this until it's done. All right. Now the next thing you want to add while it's still cooking is your French onion soup. You can add any brand you want. I just get whatever brand is on sale. One package of onion soup mix. This is what makes it your French onion sloppy joes, okay? And just sprinkle it all in your meat while it's cooking, okay? And keep chopping it around. That smells good already, don't it, Cam?
Yes, it does.
Oh, man. I'm telling you guys, my husband is going to be surprised when he sees I'm making this. He absolutely loves Sloppy Joes and my famous Maid-Rites that I make, which is considered a loose meat sandwich. I did show you guys how to make that on one of my videos if you're interested. But back to this. My husband likes the Sloppy Joes. Well, he's getting a French onion Sloppy Joe. Alright. So, you continue to let this cook. You're going to cook your grease out as much as you can. Okay, guys? Now, if you have some grease left, you can go ahead and drain it the rest of the way. But when this gets done, then I will show you the next step. Alright guys, so this is how you want it. Okay? And it smells divine in here. I'm telling you guys, it smells great. So, now, this is what else you put in your French onion Sloppy Joes. A can of Rototels. You can use any brand you want. I got the Rototel this time because it was on sale. You know I'm all about sales. Add a can of that. And then I got Cheap Chop Sloppy Joe mix. Dump that in. Okay. Oh, I got Sloppy Joe on my hand and I just licked it off. Oh my goodness. That is good Sloppy Joe mix. Alright, so you just give this a stir around. Make sure it's fully incorporated before you put the lid back on. Alright. Look how good that looks, guys. Like, literally, look how good that looks. Alright, guys. So now, at this point, once you have everything in, you want to put your lid on and turn it down to simmer and let it just simmer. When this is ready, then I will show you what I'm pairing it with and we will have a taste test. Alright guys, so the Sloppy Joe is mixed. Look at that. It's mixed, it's done, it's hot. Now my mac and cheese is still cooking, guys. I'm pairing it with bacon mac and cheese. But I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a taste test on this because this is the main course here. So what you want to do is you want to take any hamburger bun of your choice, put your cheese on top first because you're going to want your cheese to melt. Get a slotted spoon because this is juicy. Okay? And if you're going to put the lid on, you want to put about that much. Okay, because it's going to fall out. Alright. So I'm going to set this down over here for Cam. And I'm going to have Cam try it. Alright, Cam.
Alright.
You're on the go. And it's going to be very hot too. So be careful.
Alright.
And it's messy. Keep a napkin by, guys. Friends and family. You can pair it with anything you want, but like I said, we're pairing ours with bacon mac and cheese. Is it good, Cam? Yeah? Can I get a thumbs up?
It's really good.
Oh, so yummy?
Yeah, it's so yummy.
Alright, guys. I'm going to end it on this. I'm going to wave bye. Talk to you guys on the next video.